हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं अल्फ़ाबेट ए से लेकर जेड तक। ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर एप्पल। बी फॉर बनाना, बी फॉर बनाना। C for cow, C for cow. D for donkey, D for donkey. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for farmer, F for farmer. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jellyfish, J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for squirrel, Q for squirrel. R for ring, R for ring. S for sunflower, S for sunflower. T for Titanic, T for Titanic. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violin. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for penguin. Q for squirrel. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. तो बच्चों, आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू।